refraction by spherical lenses. Lenses produce images similar to those formed by curved mirrors, but they do so by refracting light. Lenses are either convex or concave in form. Convex lenses are thickest at the middle. Concave lenses are thickest around the edges. Most lenses are made of glass and have spherical surfaces. Light rays passing through a convex lens bend towards the principal axis, whereas rays passing through a concave lens bend away from the principal axis. The rays passing through the convex lens converge to a point F. The rays passing through the concave lens diverge as if traveling outwards from a point F. F is the principal focus of the lens, and the distance from F to P is called the focal length.